Before you can start creating Google Meeting rooms in your courses, you will need to connect your Google account to your LMS Insight admin. From the Integrations page, you can access the pre-configured Google Meet setup. The only required information on this page is your API key and OAuth client ID. These credentials can be retrieved from the Google Cloud Console. The support document linked below this video explains how to do this. Once you've retrieved the required credentials from Google, you can simply copy and paste these details into the provided fields. There are a variety of other settings relating to the default setup of your Google Meeting rooms that you can optionally define on this page. Alternatively, you can scroll all the way down and click on Save Changes to connect your Google account. To then add a Google Meeting room to a course, you can select the Google Meet activity from the course content picker. Give your meeting room a name and an optional description that can be displayed to learners either when they click on the activity link or on the general course page. You can then schedule your event for a specific date and time. When you click on Generate Room URL, you will be prompted to sign into your Google account and generate a meeting room in your course. You can also add restrictions to control the conditions under which learners will be able to access the Google Meeting. And finally, you can add tags to allow learners to search and connect related content. When you then click on Save and Display, your Google Meeting room will be available in your course.